breaking news that's got everyone talking. The IRS just dropped a bombshell announcement about $2,600 stimulus checks heading straight to seniors' bank accounts. If you're a senior or know someone who is, you'll want to stay tuned because in the next few minutes, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about this game-changing payment that's landing in accounts within the next 48 hours. Before we dive into all the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on crucial updates about stimulus payments, Social Security benefits, and other financial news that could put more money in your pocket. Drop a yes in the comments if you're ready to learn about this $2,600 payment. Now, let's get into the breaking news that's affecting millions of American seniors. The Internal Revenue Service has just confirmed a targeted stimulus payment of $2,600 that will be deposited directly into eligible seniors' bank accounts within the next 48 hours. This comes as welcome relief for our senior citizens who have been hit particularly hard by rising inflation and increasing living costs. This latest round of stimulus payments is specifically designed to provide financial support to seniors who rely primarily on Social Security benefits and fixed incomes. The timing couldn't be better, as many elderly Americans are struggling to keep up with the soaring costs of healthcare, groceries, and utilities. The IRS has stated that this payment is part of a broader initiative to protect our most vulnerable citizens during these challenging economic times. To qualify for this $2,600 payment, seniors must meet several specific criteria. First and foremost, you must be aged 65 or older as of the current tax year. Additionally, your annual income must fall below certain thresholds: $75,000 for single filers and $150,000 for married couples filing jointly. These income limits ensure that the assistance reaches those who need it most. Let's break down exactly how this payment will be distributed. The IRS has confirmed that the majority of eligible seniors will receive their payments through direct deposit, which is why they're emphasizing the 48-hour time frame. If you've previously received tax refunds or other government payments via direct deposit, you're already set up in the system and don't need to take any additional action. For seniors who haven't provided their banking information to the IRS or prefer paper checks, don't worry, you haven't been forgotten. Paper checks will be mailed out within the next 2 weeks, though obviously, this method will take longer than the direct deposit option. The IRS strongly encourages everyone to sign up for direct deposit if possible, as it's the fastest and most secure way to receive your payment. One of the most common questions we're receiving is whether this payment will affect other benefits that seniors typically receive. The good news is that this $2,600 stimulus payment will not impact your Social Security benefits, Medicare coverage, or any other federal assistance programs you might be enrolled in. This is additional money meant to supplement, not replace, your existing benefits. It's important to note that this payment is tax-free, meaning you won't need to report it as income on your next tax return. This is consistent with how previous stimulus payments have been handled, ensuring that recipients get to keep the full amount without any tax implications down the road. For seniors who are wondering about the verification process, the IRS has streamlined this as much as possible. They're using existing data from Social Security Administration records and previous tax returns to determine eligibility. However, if you haven't filed taxes recently because your income was below the filing threshold, you might need to submit a simple form to ensure you're in the system. The IRS has set up a dedicated hotline for seniors who have questions about their eligibility or payment status. You can reach them at their special stimulus assistance line, though be prepared for potentially long wait times due to high call volumes. Alternatively, you can check your payment status through the IRS website using their Get My Payment tool. Some seniors have expressed concern about potential scams related to these payments. Remember, the IRS will never call, email, or text you asking for personal or banking information. All communication about these payments will come through official channels, primarily through the mail. If someone contacts you claiming to be from the IRS and asking for information, it's likely a scam. For seniors who share expenses with family members or live in nursing homes, the payment is intended for the eligible senior citizen and cannot be claimed by facilities or family members. This money is specifically designated for the senior's use and benefit, and any attempt to redirect or claim these funds could result in legal consequences. The timing of these payments coincides with recent data showing that seniors have been disproportionately affected by inflation. Basic necessities like food, medicine, and utilities have seen significant price increases, making it increasingly difficult for those on fixed incomes to maintain their standard of living. This $2,600 payment aims to provide some breathing room and financial stability. The IRS has also implemented special provisions for seniors who may have recently moved or changed banks. If you've relocated or switched financial institutions, it's crucial to update your information with the IRS as soon as possible to ensure your payment is properly directed. This can be done through their official website or by calling their dedicated assistance line. For seniors who might need help managing this payment or understanding their options, several resources are available. Local senior centers, financial advisors, and community organizations often provide free assistance with financial matters. Don't hesitate to reach out to these resources if you need guidance on making the most of this stimulus payment. Looking ahead, there's discussion about the possibility of additional support for seniors in the coming months. While nothing has been confirmed beyond this current $2,600 payment, lawmakers are aware of the ongoing challenges faced by elderly Americans and continue to evaluate potential assistance programs. It's worth mentioning that this payment is separate from any cost of living adjustments, COLA, to Social Security benefits. The COLA increases are determined by different factors and will continue to be calculated and applied as usual. This stimulus payment is an additional form of support specifically designed to address current economic pressures. For seniors who are caring for dependents or grandchildren, this payment is individual and doesn't include additional amounts for dependents. However, there may be other assistance programs available for those with dependent care responsibilities, and it's worth consulting with a financial advisor or social services professional to explore these options. The IRS has emphasized that this payment is being distributed as quickly as possible to provide immediate relief. If you're eligible but don't receive your payment within the stated time frame, don't panic. There could be various reasons for a delay, and the IRS has systems in place to resolve any issues that might arise. That's all the crucial information about this $2,600 stimulus payment for seniors. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on stimulus payments and financial news. Share this video with any seniors you know who might benefit from this information. Drop a comment below letting me know if you're expecting this payment or if you have any questions. Stay tuned for more updates, and thanks for watching.